All right, folks, we're going to take a little pause from the racing as we go to Beech Bend Park and ride some of the most historic rides in the U.S., all sponsored by Facebook Marketplace, where we sold this bench for $80 and it paid for the whole thing.
Ah! Woo! Woo! No one's on the boat! No one's on the boat! I'm on top of the world! Woo! Yeah! Everybody lean forward, it's amazing. Woo! Oh my God. Keep it going. There's no one in line, keep this going. Woo! I can do this for hours. Woo! Yeah! Let's hear it, folks! Woo!
Everybody wave.
And are you in video or?
All right, I was kicked off the ride. I was too fat to ride the ride. This is a little bit embarrassing, but we will press on. All right, guys, in my defense, that was the oldest tilt-a-whirl in the world, and it was built before people were my size, were more prevalent in the community. So we'll try the next one. Hopefully I can get my fat ass in there.
This is the oldest carousel in North America. Woo!